if you're a trader, watch this video before you take that your next trade. Okay, so over here I'm going to be showing you how the market moves, and we have different ways in which the market moves. We have 3 ways in which the market move actually. Okay, so we have the bullish move, we have the bearish move, and we have the ranging market. And bullish means buy, right? We have the bullish move. Bullish means buy, and it's telling us that market is buying and it's on the uptrend. So what do we want to keep doing? We want to keep buying. Okay, if market is buying, we want to keep buying. So how do we identify a bullish trend? When market is creating higher highs, when market keeps creating higher highs, means market is bullish, and all we need to do is we keep buying. So market will keep creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, market keep creating higher highs. If you check, price created this higher high, it broke this area. Okay, we call it break of structure. Then price created this higher high again, broke this area. If you see again, we call it another break of structure. Price came to this area again, then broke it again. We call it a break of structure, because that is literally an origin. Okay, price is not supposed to break it. If the opposite trend was strong, price was not supposed to break it. So we have price break this area again, break of structure. So it keeps creating higher highs, keep breaking structures, and keeps creating higher highs. And over here, if you check from here, price was unable to break this area, and price came back again, was unable to touch this area, was unable to touch this area. That's why we have it as our higher high and higher low. If price should if let's say price was able to break this area and created another low, and price should break that low again, that means we've already had a change of character. But in this case, there's nothing like a change of character here. This is a pure uptrend. Market is trending up. That is why we keep having these higher highs and higher lows, and we keep getting break of structures, and we see that price is unable to touch these areas. Price is unable to touch or break these areas. You get that is what the uptrend market does. So for the downtrend, price is creating lower highs and lower lows, like that. Price keep creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Now let's check this area. Now for this bearish trend, okay, how do we know when market is really bearish? For bearish trend, so how do we know market is really bearish? So now you see that when price came from here and trended up, was unable to break this high, then came back, was able to break this side, which gave us this break of structure. Then price again trended up, was unable to break this lower high, but was able to break this lower low, gave us this break of structure again. You see price keep breaking structures to the downside, keep creating lower lows, keep creating lower lows and lower highs. You see that it's like this, the trend is straightforward, it's up. The bullish trend is straightforward. Okay, the bullish trend is straightforward, and the bearish trend is so straightforward. All right, so we have another way in which the market trends. This one is somehow my enemy. Why I call it my enemy is because it makes me just stay away from the market. So we have the ranging market. What happens when the market is ranging? You wait. And what is the ranging market? A ranging market is when market is just being indecisive. Market does not know if it should buy or sell. It's just it's just like stuck in a place, just moving in a loop till, let's say, finally a buyer or a seller, the buyers or the sellers, they finally get to push the market to go to the direction. All right, so we have a ranging market. And what do we do when market is ranging? If market is like this, if you see market like this, what do you want to do? Wait. Like, very simple, capital letter wait. If market is ranging like this, wait until you see a break to the down or to the upside. You're not trading until you see that price broke to the down or to the upside. You're not trading. And even after price has broken, you want to make sure you wait and see what the market is going to do after that break. Don't rush into it because the market just broke. Wait to get a confirmation before you enter that trade. Hope I just made sense. Hope I made sense. So if you're a trader and you do not understand the market trend, but you're always trading and you'll be wondering why you're always hitting stop loss when you're supposed to be making money, maybe because you see that market is buying, you want to buy, it's selling, you want to sell. This is a guide for you. Now understand the market trend. When market keeps creating the higher highs, we have it as a market keeps creating higher highs and higher lows, we have it as the uptrend. And when market keeps creating lower highs and lower lows, we have it as the downtrend. And when market keeps moving like this in a range, that is a ranging market. That is an indecisive market. Another word for it is market is consolidating. So when market is consolidating, you don't want to have any business in the market. You don't want to do anything in the market. You want to make sure you wait. What did I say? You want to make sure you wait till you get a breakout to either the up or the downside. And even after that breakout, you still want to make sure that you do a very proper analysis. You understand where the market is trending to before you enter the market. Don't just watch it. You can go to your charts and practice, all right? And just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and everything you want to know about Forex will be dropped there daily. And I can't wait to see you guys go. Right? I'm your trading bestie.